got a ton of bikes in the shop right now. Coming in. I want to do a good thank you for all of our customers. Couldn't do this without you guys. Appreciate all the work. So, been working hard to spiff up our showroom.
Yeah, it's starting to, the changes are good. Don't get me in there.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That's a bad idea.
We got show bike, show the paint job we can do. Walk to the back. Got all our bikes on display. And a bunch of tires in stock. We'll head back this way. We right now have had the most, or I think we've got the most bikes we've had ever in for service. So you look back here and we are full. Bikes on lifts. Bikes packed in under the pallet rack.
How you doing?
Good. There's another one coming in.
Got more coming in right now. Painting our refrigerator for a customer that likes our paint work. Old 60s refrigerator. Testing, tuning. A bunch of bikes set up for paint. We even got bikes stashed in our paint area, prep area. We got so many. But I've got a 50 in here right now. And we're doing a couple 70s. But again, thank you to the customers for all the work over the years. Just thought I'd do a quick video just to show what's going on this Saturday morning. Thank you.